I'm Dina from Golden Valley Parks and Rec, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a French omelette. A French omelette is a little bit different than an American omelette because it's super custardy inside. The ingredients you will need are butter, 2 eggs, some water, salt, and cheese. First, you're going to start by cracking the eggs. Pour in a tiny bit of water and give a little pinch of salt. And then mix it up. Right now, I'm melting a little bit of butter in my pan on medium to low heat. And then we're gonna let that melt a little bit and then pour in the egg mixture. Once you have the egg mixture poured in, you're gonna stir it around and keep on stirring it for a while. After you've been stirring for a while, you'll notice that it's starting to stick, and what you're gonna wanna do is just unstick it from the bottom with the spatula and keep stirring. Alright, at this point you're gonna notice that it's gonna start to separate a little more. This is when you're gonna stop stirring and sort of mix all the remaining liquidy bits around so that it covers the bottom of the pan. Now you're gonna take some cheese and sprinkle it on in a little line that extends out from the line of the handle. And then let it sit for a while so that it can solidify. Once you've given it a while to solidify, you're gonna start to pick a little section away from the edge and roll it back. And then just keep rolling it until it makes a little burrito shape. And then you can put it right on the plate. Make sure to turn the stove off. And there you go.